Sometimes your healthcare team will call to ask you to send a manual transmission. This is a quick, easy process that sends the data from your device to your clinic manually. It is important that you only do this when your clinic asks you to. Before you complete all these steps, please check that you have the following as required to ensure your success with a manual transmission: the magnet provided for use with your app, a Wi-Fi or cellular connection, Bluetooth turned on. If your healthcare team asks you to send a manual transmission, follow these steps using your myLUX patient app. To get started, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of your app's main screen. Select Manual Transmission. Follow the instructions on the screen. Connecting may take several minutes. Watch for a message confirming it's complete. Tap Done. This means your data is on its way to the clinic. Your healthcare team will contact you if they need anything else. To learn more about how the myLUX patient app works, click the Learn button directly on your app. Have questions? You can find many answers in your patient handbook or call Boston Scientific Rhythm Care Patient Services at 1-866-484-3268.